So how many years would a WordPress theme last with no updates before it breaks? I have a website I've been hosting and been running into some issues, and it has a theme that's about 10 years old. So apparently that's close to the amount of time it takes. I've had some old themes that not updated for several years, and they work fine. And the reason this happens is because WordPress has been around for a couple decades and been pretty popular. There's a lot of old themes out there that maybe were custom developed and they're just not supported and they're not updated. So if you're having trouble updating WordPress or plugins, or in my case, I was trying to upgrade PHP and it just broke the site, you might want to check on your theme. And to do that, you go to Appearance and Themes. And if I click on theme details here, usually you'd see like a developer, a version. This is some kind of custom anonymous theme because it's by anonymous. No developer, no version, probably hasn't been updated since the site was launched 10 years ago. I didn't create this site, but I took it over a few years ago, and it's been working okay with some issues, but it's difficult to update plugins. In my case, I tried to update to a newer version of PHP, which is currently 8.1. And you see when I refresh, I get a critical error on the website. I also have turned on debugging, which there's different ways you could do that, but I'm doing it in cPanel with WordPress management. Then if I refresh, I'll see a bunch of errors. Some of them have to do with the theme. Some of them are plugins. So when you have an old theme like this, it's kind of a cascading effect of problems because I'm now unable to upgrade PHP, which also means I can't update WordPress. I'm going to turn off this debugging so I could actually see what's going on here. And I also set the PHP version back to an old version that's deprecated. So when you have an old PHP version, at some point you won't be able to update WordPress, which in this case is running on 5.8.3, which is an old version. When I can't update WordPress, that eventually means I can't update plugins. Like I have one plugin here that isn't showing an update because it's an old WordPress version. So it's a cascade of effects, but the main kind of issue here is that theme that I'm unable to update. So another recommendation when you're in a situation like this with an old WordPress site or old theme is to not go updating things without having a backup or preferably a staging site. So I'm able to, in cPanel, use WordPress management, sometimes called WordPress Toolkit, to clone a site, and then I can just log in quick and update everything. So just for the fun of it, I'm going to go ahead and update all the plugins at once on this staging site. So all the plugins are updating. They're not going to get to the latest versions because WordPress itself is not able to update. But I'm just curious if I do all these updates, if anything's going to break. So it does look like it broke some stuff. So just updating the plugins alone, you can see the content is gone on the page. It's like loading header and footer and some elements, but not the body of the site. And also I'm getting a critical error when I click on contact. Another critical error. So you can see how sensitive this site is just from having an old theme. And again, if I go to themes, there's no update for this theme like you'd have for, like a WordPress core theme here. I can just click update and it updates. That's the case with a lot of other themes that are, you have a license for or they're free. But in this case, there's no update for this anonymous theme that was built, many years ago. So there's a couple possible solutions with this. Obviously, you could change the theme to something that's, more supported. There's a bunch of great paid themes that are well supported and updated regularly. One option would be to patch this theme. So I could go through all the theme files and figure out where the issues are, go through all those errors and try to correct them with new code. It'd be kind of a band-aid approach. There might be some simple fixes. If you only have a few errors, you could find a WordPress developer to fix those errors. But again, it's kind of a band-aid approach, maybe kicking the can down the road. You're probably going to have other issues because you're not going to be able to update this theme on a regular basis. So probably the best option here would be to update to a brand new theme, which means you're going to basically be redesigning the site. You will be able to, use the page content depending on how those are built, or you might just have to copy and paste. If you're a WordPress developer, I'd also be curious to hear your opinion. So comment below. Let me know if you would patch this theme or if you would more likely redesign it and start with a brand new theme. And if you landed on this video because you're having trouble with your WordPress site and updating it, you might be interested in my website service. I build WordPress sites and I also keep them updated. I use a theme that's well supported and updated regularly so you don't run into this issue. So I'll link to my website service below so you can check it out. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you on the next one.